passes number 0. Now passing jersey number 8. It's good for 2. Jersey number 17, Bangkulu. Cancellation, jersey number 18. 15 on the shot clock. Eyes open, jersey number 18. Puts it up. Oh, shot is no good. There's a whistle away from the ball. Bob with the jersey number 7. That is first foul. First seat foul para sa Barangay Tabe. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Here's number 17. Pass in the middle. Here's number 8. Back to here's number 17. 9 on the shot clock. Here's number 20. 4 on the shot clock. Here's number 8. Is number 2. Score 59-14. 19-point lead. Here's number 15. Pass to the plus. 12 on the shot clock. Against the 2 defenders. 8 on the shot clock. And there's the number 0 on the clock. And there's the number 7. But there's a whistle clock. Maybe there's the number 17. That is first foul. 13 foul. Para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Time remaining 6 minutes and 29 seconds to play. Jersey number 24, baseline Iga pass to jersey number 0 and twice. Up and pop for 3. Yes, no good. Body more to more. Ay, Iga para jersey number 04. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 18. Easy down. Pass to jersey number 18. Initial. 12 on the shot out. Jersey number 18. Behind the back ball. 8 on the shot out. They're running number jersey number 20. It's no good. Body more to rebound. No rebound para jersey number 04. Intercepted jersey number 31. There's a foul. Jersey number who's brought up? Jersey number 17. That is second foul. Penalty. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Jersey number 0 and twice passing jersey number 15. On toward the feet, jersey number 15. Attack the defense. Almost losing the ball to jersey number 8 for 3. Down! Jersey number 8, 3. Score 59-43, a 16-14. Jersey number 20. As with jersey number 11. Jersey with the foul coming in jersey number 0. That is second foul, second team foul para sa Barangay Tabe. 17 seconds shot off, 17 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 20 passes to jersey number 16 and down pass to Richo. Holding on the shot, jersey number 18. Let's go for 2 for jersey number 18, Richo. Jersey number 24 is no good. Long rebound para jersey number 20 to running jersey number 04. It's a line violation. Turnover. Jersey number 50 against jersey number 20. Jersey number 15 attacking the defense. Hooks it up. It's good for 2. Number 0. That is third foul. 13th foul. Substitution. Here's the number 20 pass, here's the number 16 and Jana, here's the number 15.